G'day guys, it's Matt here, the Kiwi Culchie coming to you from Skibbereen in West Cork, and I'm going to be talking about these little beauties. I have to say, after living down in West Cork, I always buy these eggs. This is West Cork eggs, and it's from Caroline Murphy, that's stationed in Rosscarbery. She started her business about 6 years ago. I know her very, very well, lovely person, but these eggs are free range. Apart from supporting local, they're a very, very good tasty egg. Free range will always be nicer than your normal egg, in my opinion. So listen, go down to your local store in West Cork. They're all over the place, and I really, really think that you should try these. These are a fantastic product. And Caroline, I wonder what you're going to come up with next. Guys, West Cork eggs from West Cork in Rosscarbery. See you soon, guys.